Good morning, students of class 5. We have come back to our English 1 class. We have already completed 2 chapters. Chapter from pronouns and adjectives. Today I am going to start chapter 13, verbs. A verb is generally a doing word. A verb is used to say or assert something about a person or thing. It says what a person or thing does, what a person or thing is, or what a person or thing has. A verb denotes doing, being, or possessing. Yes, what does a verb denote? A verb denotes doing, being, or possessing. Here are some examples. Birds fly in the sky. The shopkeeper cheated me. Here the verbs are used as a doing word. Monica is a sweet girl. Father was angry with me. These are here verbs are using as a being word. A car has 4 wheels. Lord Krishna had a flute. Here the verbs are using as a possessing word. Most of the verbs are doing verbs. We have separate forms of the verbs to show the present time, the past time, and the future time. Be is the only verb that denotes being. Is, are, am, was, were, will be, shall be are various forms of the verb be. Is, are, am refers to the present time, or they are used to make general statement. Was, were referred to the past time. Will be, shall be referred to the future time. Have shows possession. Have, has, had, will have, shall have are its various forms. Have and has refer to the present time. Had refers to the past time. Will have and shall have refer to the future time. So what do we learn? Most verbs are doing verb. Being and be and its forms suggest being. Have and its forms suggest possessing. There can be no sentences without a verb. Yes, we need a verb to make it complete sense. Object of a verb. We have to find out the verbs from this passage. You have to do it yourself. Okay, I've already done it. Object of a verb. Look at the sentences and questions that follow. Ruchi likes ice cream. What does Ruchi like? Ice cream. We say ice cream is the object of the verb likes. Manu wastes money. What does Manu waste? Money. Money is the object of the verb waste. I love Rakesh. Whom do I love? Rakesh. Rakesh is the object of the verb love. The principal praised Neha. Whom did the principal praise? Neha. Neha is the object of the verb praised. So object may be, we can see the object in the predicate part of a sentence. There are two parts, subject and predicate. In the predicate part there may be verb and object. Okay. Verbs may be divided into two parts, transitive verbs and intransitive verbs. Here are some sentences. Ruchi likes, I love, Manu wastes, the principal praised. We notice that these sentences are incomplete. The verbs in these sentences require objects to complete their sense. These verbs are transitive verbs. So what is transitive verb? A verb that requires an object to complete its sense is called a transitive verb. A verb that requires an object to complete its sense is called a transitive verb. Only doing verbs or verbs showing possession need objects. Now come to the next part. Now look at these sentences. Mohan walked, the child cried, Mary laughed, the river flowed. These sentences are quite meaningful. The verbs in these sentences do not require any object to complete the sense. These verbs are intransitive verbs. What is an intransitive verb? A verb that does not require an object to make sense but makes good sense by itself is called an intransitive verb. A verb that does not require an object to make sense but makes good sense by itself is called an intransitive verb. Now come to incomplete verb and complements. John is, the father appears, Anu seems, the policeman looked. The verbs in these sentences are is, seems, appears, looked. These verbs do not make complete sense by themselves. They need some words to complete the sense. Like John is sad, Anu seems happy, the father appears pleased, policeman looked angry. The verbs in these sentences do not express an action. They do not show possession also. We call them incomplete verbs. The verb in these sentences do not express an action. They do not show possession also. They are called incomplete verb. The word added to them to complete the meaning and to form a complete predicate is called a complement to the verb. A word required to form a complete predicate is called a complement to the verb. Incomplete verbs are either the verbs showing being or verbs like seem, appear, look. Yes. Look is a tricky word. He looked in all directions. It is intransitive. He looked at me. Made transitive with the help of a preposition. He looked angry. It is incomplete. So be careful about the verb look. So transitive verb needs an object to complete sense. Intransitive verb makes good sense by itself. Incomplete verb needs some words and not an object to make sense. Incomplete verb. What is an incomplete verb? An incomplete verb needs some words to complete its sense, but it may not be an object. Okay. So you have to complete the exercise also. Underline the verbs in the sentences, then write whether they are intransitive, transitive, or incomplete. Kaneru Humpy plays brilliant chess. Yes, it is transitive verb. Mother is cooking dinner. It is also transitive verb. All your answers are very impressive. It is incomplete. Incomplete verb. She sang well. Intransitive verb. Sang here, intransitive. First one plays, transitive verb. Is cooking, transitive verb. Or incomplete verb. Sang, intransitive verb. The teachers helped me in my work. The teachers helped me in my work. Here helped is transitive verb. Father seems angry. Seems incomplete. She will be happy to get this news. Will be here incomplete. Roses grow in the park. In this park. Roses grow in this park. It is intransitive verb. Grow. Soon the sky grew dark. Here grew incomplete. We grow roses in our lawn. Here grow is transitive. Baby is sleeping soundly. It is intransitive verb. He is sleeping. They finished the work in time. Here finished, transitive verb. Somebody has broken the window. It is has broken, transitive. The boys fly kites. Fly is transitive verb. The aeroplane was flying at a great speed. Was flying, intransitive verb. What dance form are you learning? What dance form are you learning? You are learning what dance form? So Are learning here transitive verb. It is question but the verb is transitive. So thank you for today.